My name is Samantha and this is Naomi, and we initially chose Rounded Momma. I actually sought them out before I was pregnant. I just wanted to know where I would be going before we started this journey. So based on the reviews on the website and the consultation, I was like immediately sold. Obviously the business of Born kind of ignited the vehicle through which we wanted to do a home birth. So you know, looking at all of our options like this, I was sold, and this is before we even considered having a baby. So my husband and I just felt really comfortable. We loved the staff, we loved just everything that they stood for. And Sherry and Sarah were our midwives. At the time, Sarah was an apprentice midwife, so it was awesome to have two working side by side with us. And our birth experience was amazing. We had a very long experience, and Sarah was there over 24 hours and Sherry was there like 15, 16, 17, a long time. And I'm so grateful for their patience, just how calm and encouraging they were. Like, I definitely wanted a hospital transfer the entire time, and not one time did they mention it. My husband is really shy on camera, but he also was extremely satisfied with the experience. I really tried hard to get him to come to be on camera, but he's just extremely camera shy. But he was really just like amazed, and my mom and his mom, his dad, they were all just extremely impressed. None of us had any home births in the family prior to this experience, so initially they were all a little bit skeptical, a little bit scared, but after seeing it they were just amazed, and they, you know, they wouldn't have it any other way. So we definitely want to do another home birth experience. And I think the best part of it was just the encouragement at the times when I felt like I could not go any longer. They were right there providing me with everything that I need. And obviously this is my only child, so I don't have any other experiences to compare to, but I just can't imagine having this type of support in another setting. And I was just overwhelmed with the amount of encouragement and support and empowerment. I mean, it's the best experience of my life, so, and the most vulnerable experience in a woman's life, so it's really important the level of love and intention that a practice will set for their clients. So I can't say enough good things about it. I enjoy the work that they do, and I just hope moms can have more special rites of passage that birth is.